Say hello in the house.
Look at Daddy. Wave to Daddy.
Say hello in the house.
Do you think there's
Sophie, look at Daddy.
Do you think there's room for two or three in that little house? 3 little puppies?
Do we have a third puppy? Are you serious? You sure it's only one?
Yeah, I'm sure there's one this time.
Laura's gonna have a heart attack. And she goes, I know she's gonna come here and tell us she's pregnant.
Really?
Yes. I said, oh, I don't think so, you know. When is the